Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. Today, I'm showing you the latest updated method to install Scarlet on iPhone and iPad and use it to install IPA files directly on your iPhone and iPad with no computer, no Mac, and absolutely no jailbreak required. It supports iOS 15 and newer, compatible with the latest iOS 26 versions. Also working on iOS 27 beta. And yes, I'm personally testing this method on my own iPhone running iOS 27 beta right now. So let's get started. First, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Then open Safari, and then open Skibbity Tech website. I will add the website link in the description. Then simply hit on Get Started. Then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see the Skibbity Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now simply open the Skibbity Tech app. Then hit on the Scarlet option at bottom. Now you will see the different Scarlet links available there. Simply hit on the arrow down button in front of the first Scarlet link, and then hit Install to install Scarlet in your iPhone or iPad. Once Scarlet is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management, and then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let Scarlet app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the Scarlet app will start working properly without any problems. Now simply hit on the arrow down button on top, and then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad.
Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up. You got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small. Cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command.
Now simply hit Install to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. If you've been looking for a reliable way to sideload IPA files directly from your device, this is currently one of the most popular no-PC methods available. Scarlet is designed to install and manage IPA files without jailbreaking your device. And that's it, the latest updated Scarlet installation method for iPhone and iPad. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, comment your iOS version below. Subscribe for more iOS tutorials, Scarlet updates, e-sign guides, IPA installation methods, and new sideloading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.